So I've been testing an AI tool for some days now, and my goodness, I didn't expect it to be this powerful. It's called CAVN AI. At first, I thought it was just another generic AI music generator. It does quite a lot, okay? It can generate songs, master audio, split stems, clone voices, and even create full 4K music videos. I mean, instead of juggling 5 different apps that cost a lot of money, everything is in one place. So in this video, I'm going to break down 3 real ways you can use this platform to build an income stream online. A quick one before we start. CAVN AI actually helped sponsor this video. They let me use the whole tool for free so I could test it out for you guys. So first, let me give you a quick tour of how it works, which would be section 1 of this tutorial. Then we'll get to the best part, monetizing AI music. Alright, so once you're logged in, you'll be brought to this interface, and I'll be leaving the link in the description box to try out the platform yourself. Now over here, you can see all the different features available on the platform. We have the AI music generator, song cover, music mastering, music video generator, and a lot more. So let's do a quick walkthrough of the features that can actually help you make some money with this platform, okay? Over here is the music generation feature, and then we have the AI producer feature. What this basically does is work just like your normal music producer, okay? It helps you create a song, write lyrics, and even provides arrangement suggestions for your music. Now, this feature is really important if you truly want to stand out from other persons creating music with AI. You can see that there are already pre-made prompts used. For example, you can use this. If you want to create a love song, it says, write a romantic pop ballad with a gentle, delicate atmosphere, and things like that. This is for rap, for creating rap music, okay? So basically, there are already prompts prepared for different styles. Once you choose the one you want, or type in your own prompt, you simply click Message, and then you and the AI will start chatting. The conversation works just like talking to a real music producer. You go back and forth discussing ideas, preferences, lyrics, sound direction, and everything related to the song. And that's exactly how the AI producer feature works. As you can see, the AI is already asking questions like whether I want the lyrics in English or another language. So if you're someone who already knows exactly what you want your music to sound like, then I think this feature is the best option for you. But for this tutorial, I'm going to use the Create Music option instead because I want the AI to surprise me a little. Since I don't really know much about instruments, sound design, and all those technical details, this option makes things a lot easier. So right now, you can either use the inspiration mode or the custom mode, whichever works best for you. But personally, I'm going to use the custom mode because it gives me more control over the final result. Over here, it says upload reference video. Select a voice. Now you can actually choose from a wide variety of voices here. There are lots of artist style voices available. Anyways, you can also upload a reference audio if you already have one. And interestingly, even copyrighted songs are allowed as references. To proceed, I'm just going to paste in my lyrics right here. In my case, it's a rap lyric. Now for the music style, there are a lot of genres to choose from. We're going with hip hop and then rap. Honestly, I'm really excited to see how the AI is going to generate this rap song. And for the vocals, you can actually generate songs in multiple languages like Chinese, English, German, and several others, which is definitely a huge plus. I'm not going to even mess around in this module. I think we're good, right? Honestly, CAVN AI comes packed with almost everything you could ask for when it comes to creating solid AI-generated music. Now, for the gender, I want a male voice. So I'm just going to click on the Create Now button. And there you go. We'll listen to both.
Yeah. That I was from me, y'all. Yeah, look at the streets. Man, it's raining tears. Politicians lying, feeding on our fears. They sit in high chairs, abusing their power, while the ghetto gets darker by the hour. Injustice in the courts, the scales are broken. The rich get a pass, but the truth is left unspoken. A young brother locked up for minor crime, while the real crooks are sipping expensive wine. It's a failed system, designed to make us fall. We screaming for justice, but they don't hear the call. Is anybody listening? Does anybody care? There's blood on the pavement and smoke in the air. They abuse the power, they twist the law. This is the America that the media never saw. We fighting for survival.
Look at the streets, man, it's raining tears. Politicians lying, feeding on our fears. They sit in high chairs, abusing the power, while the ghetto gets darker by the hour. Injustice in the courts, scales are broken. The rich get a pass, but the truth is left unspoken. The young brother locked up for a minor crime, while the real crooks are sipping expensive wine. It's a failed system, designed to make us fall. We screaming for justice, but they don't hear the call. Is anybody listening? Does anybody care? There's blood on the pavement and smoke in the air. They abuse the power, they twist the law. This is the America that the media never saw. We fighting for survival, trapped in the night. Lord, give us the strength to stand up and fight. Yeah, shout more survival, stand up and fight. Yeah, just yesterday I saw a mother cry. 14-year-old kid shot, left to die. Teens killing teens, caught up in the gang. No guidance, no hope, just dealing with the pain.
Of course, this sounds really beautiful, and honestly, it doesn't even sound like those obviously AI-generated songs you usually hear online. Let me know in the comment section which of the generated tracks is your favorite, okay? Now, real quick, when you come over to this section right here, you'll notice there are even more powerful features available. Under the audio processing section, you have features like convert to MIDI, AI mastering, and several others. All of these tools can help make your music sound more unique and professional, and more importantly, help you create music that you can actually monetize. Now, with the MIDI feature, for example, you can make additional edits to your track, add your own real instrument sounds, or customize the music however you want after converting it. Honestly, this feature alone is kind of a game changer. And how about the voice clone cover feature? This basically allows you to use your own voice to cover any song. Now, to show you how this works, I'll first download the audio track as an MP3 file, okay? Then after downloading it, I'm going to use the AI mastering feature to further smooth out and refine the audio quality. Personally, I think this is something you should always do after generating your music because it creates a more polished version that sounds clearer, sharper, and overall more professional. Okay, so I'm just going to pick a style. For this one, I think I'll go with the standard balance option. The vocal optimized style is good as well, but just stick with whichever you prefer, okay? Click on this button and let the AI start processing the audio. And that's basically it. Our audio is now being processed. So I played the audio off camera and it sounded much better. Now click on the download button and we'll have our mastered audio ready to use. Now, this is where things start getting really interesting. The voice cloning feature. I love the concept of singing with your own cloned voice because this is how you build a solid brand. Your voice is unique to you. Now, there are basically just two things you'll need for voice cloning, okay? I'll go ahead and fill out this section and upload my human avatar. Then you'll need a neatly recorded voice sample of yourself that is at least 5 minutes long. So make sure the recording is very clear and loud enough because this will directly affect how accurate and natural the clone voice will sound. And once the upload is complete, all you need to do is click on Start Training Voice, and that's basically it. The training process usually takes around 10 to 15 minutes. So while that's happening, you can actually leave the page and do something else. Now, when you scroll down, you can even use the voice of this guy to create a cover of your song too. This platform is just mind-blowing. Alright, my clone voice has been generated successfully. So the next thing is to upload the rap song we generated earlier, okay? Done. Now I'm going to click on the Generate Voice Clone button to create the song cover. Easy peasy, right?
Does anybody care? There's blood on the pavement, there's smoke in the air. They abuse the power, they twist the law. This is the America that the media never saw.
Beautiful. This sounds so much like me, and honestly it feels like a dream come true. Being able to create and perform songs using your own AI voice. Now you can even cover your favorite gospel songs and more. But it doesn't stop there. You can also create a full music video that matches the exact style and vibe of your song. So all you need to do is come over here to the MV generator section. This is the feature we'll be using to create our music video. Create MV. Now you'll notice that the platform already provides a lot of digital artists you can work with. But personally, I like being a little extra, so I already created my own digital artist because I'm trying to build a brand, right? You can use the Manage Artist feature to generate your own AI image directly on the platform. You can even reference a particular celebrity or artist style if you want a certain look, resemblance, or character consistency. The Artist Image feature is your best friend. So I'll go ahead and upload my digital artist, and there we go. Once that's done, I'll click on Confirm and Continue. The next thing I need to do is simply select the song, and that's pretty much it. Now, from here, I can choose the exact section of the song I want the AI to generate visuals for. CAVN AI can actually generate a full music video automatically, but for this tutorial, this specific section will do, okay? Click on Generate MV. And that's it, guys. Our AI music video is now
trapped
ready.
in the night. Lord, give us the strength to stand up and fight. Fight, yeah. Shine more survival. Fight. Stand up and fight. Fight, yeah.
If you look closely, you'll notice that the lip sync is actually very accurate, and even the hand gestures align naturally with the performance. Now, when you come over to the Music AI Toolbox section, these are the main features you'll need to take your AI music from amateur to a more professional level. And honestly, these tools are extremely important if you truly want to take AI music creation seriously, especially for business, monetization, or even as a side hustle. You've got features like reverse prompts, enhancer, stem split, and several others. So instead of juggling multiple subscriptions and paying for different AI tools separately, everything is available here on one platform. Most AI music platforms usually separate these tools or charge extra fees just to unlock certain features. Now, they also offer different pricing plans. For example, with the lower tier plan, you still get access to most of the core features, while the higher tier plans simply give you more credits and higher usage limits. Personally, I'd recommend going for the standard plan if you intend to create content consistently because it gives you more flexibility and overall access. But either way, you can start with the free plan first and test everything out for yourself. Now, one of the most proven ways to make money with AI music right now is through faceless YouTube channels. Think lo-fi study music, sleep sounds, meditation tracks, ambient rain, or gym motivation mixes. Many of these channels are now powered almost entirely by AI, and some generate millions of views every month. So, here's the workflow with CAVN. Generate a batch of tracks with different moods and styles, then run each one through the mastering tool to give it a polished sound, okay? After that, use MV Studio to create looping visuals and turn the tracks into long-form videos. This format works extremely well on YouTube because people listen for hours while studying, sleeping, or working, okay? Anyway, channels in these niches often earn between $2 to $6 CPM. And once you get monetized, the number of subscribers doesn't determine how much you make from ads. Your views do. And once you start gaining traction, it can eventually become a full-time income stream, okay? Realistically, this takes consistency. Most channels need 1 to 6 months before they gain traction. One of the fastest ways to make money with CAVN is by creating AI music videos for independent artists. Most musicians need visuals, but traditional music videos can cost thousands of dollars. That's why many artists are willing to pay $50 to $300 for high-quality AI-generated videos instead. The workflow is simple. A client sends you their song plus a photo or concept idea. You build the visuals in CAVN's MV Studio, render the video in 4K, and deliver the final file, often in under 10 minutes of setup time. Now, your easiest starting point to get clients is Fiverr. If you search AI music video, there are already creators getting paid to do exactly this. Twitter/X is another great place because independent artists are super active there. And to be real, Discord servers and Reddit communities are full of musicians looking for affordable visuals, especially communities like this. So even at an average of $150 per project, doing just 5 videos a week can turn into a solid side income. And as your workflow improves, the process gets faster and easier over time. Most people focus only on AI music generation, but some of the easiest money is actually in the utility tools. For example, audio mastering. On Fiverr, creators charge anywhere from $20 to $50 per track. You take a raw song, run it through the mastering engine, make small adjustments, and deliver the polished version. This can be done under 10 minutes. Another underrated service is stem splitting. DJs, producers, and remix creators constantly need isolated vocals and instrumentals. With Stem Split, you can charge $15 to $40 per song, while the actual processing only takes a few minutes. Then there's voice cloning. If you come over to Fiverr and search for terms like AI voice cloning, you'll notice some persons are already offering these services professionally. For example, this seller says, "I will clone your AI voice for songs and speech within 24 hours." Another one says, "I will clone your voice to create AI covers." And as you keep scrolling, there are even more people offering similar services. This seller here specifically says, "I will create singing or rapping vocals using your AI voice," and they charge a minimum of $40. Remember, I just showed you how to create a rap song, right? Here's another one. It says, "I will create a custom AI song using your lyrics and voice cloning." This is a massive opportunity right now. With tools like CAVN AI, you can realistically start offering services like this yourself, creating custom AI songs, voice clones, covers, and personalized music content for clients online. The demand is already there, and people are actively making money offering these kinds of AI music services every single day. And that's it. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, okay? Now, if you want to try CAVN AI, the free tier link is in the description, no card needed. And if you decide to upgrade, there's also a 10% discount code below. The opportunities are real. The only question is whether you will actually use them. Thank you and bye for now.